Hey you guys, how are you guys doing? All right guys, so if when you're pushed, the language should change, like the accent should change. The laugh should change, the charisma should change, the 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 posture but seriously, I'm not joking, okay? When you're tushed, when you're pushed, when you're of a higher level, do you understand? Like everything should entail that, yeah, the Lord is good all the time. So you guys, how are you guys doing? This is Mama B&B, your CEO, the one and only. Not only because I know there are other CEO, however, your one and only CEO. I don't even know which one to say, but you guys, let's just have fun in this video. So guys, I just want to unbox. I want to do a little unboxing. Like, oh my god, I've actually been saving so much for this. Like, not like saving so much because of course, I'm a CEO, what do you expect? So you guys, I actually got some beautiful handbag. Like 2 years ago, I've actually been I'm this kind of person that do not give ear to things that are not of great importance in my life at a particular time. Not as if they are not very important, but I'm this kind of person that likes to set goals, and the only thing I did not know how to do was to set boundaries. But now I set boundaries, I set goals even more. In fact, I set more boundaries. Okay, anyway, let me remove those glasses so you could see my beautiful face. So I want to unbox my beautiful handbags that I got, so you guys could see. Like, I bought, how many handbags did I buy? So this is actually the first one. This is the first one that I'm actually showing you guys. Then so this is actually the first handbag I got. It has this wooden stuff going on here. The leather is a shiny, like it's a real good leather, but of course it's so beautiful the way they did it. Like, I find it very fashionable because I love something fashionable, and plus something that is going to like suit into dresses or clothes or jean, anything I decide to wear. I'm just gonna go with it. Oh, I forgot to say, many years ago I used to carry just one handbag. The one handbag I used to carry was a vlogging handbag. Ordinarily I can go out without carrying any handbag, but since I'm always putting in my camera and like kind of protecting my camera from falling or from being too exposed, so yeah, I actually bought that particular handbag, and it began to look like a regular handbag that I know some people that someone was saying at the comment section. It was actually a very good comment. The person said, they said, oh Edith, I'm gonna buy you a handbag because I noticed you used to use just one handbag. See, I'm gonna have so many handbags, like so many. This is actually just the beginning. So you guys, this handbag, you just hold it here and then you open. It has this, so you just open it here, and then it has, of course, every handbag have to have like a longer handle. Do you understand? It has this longer handle that is of there's like this. I don't know how to describe it better, but yeah, that is the first handbag. And yeah, again I got another one. So this is actually the second handbag I got. When I saw this handbag on on their websites, I was actually I was so loving the handbag. I was like, wow, I need this handbag for just I don't know, it could go with anything because it's white. You know, white and black goes with anything. Just like what I'm wearing, I might decide to go with this handbag. And yeah, guys, look at it shift. So look at that, right? Yeah, and it has a longer handle too. Okay, that's a longer handle, and basically that's how the handbag is. It's so beautiful and I love it. So that's it. Has a zip and it's very portable. I can actually wear it with this my dress, or I can wear this one too with this my dress, and it goes, you get. So you guys, here is the third handbag that I got. Yeah, this one is actually a particular handbag that, you know, like literally everybody knows about it. But yeah, I decided to get the red one, yeah, so that it could look a little different. But yeah, when I saw it out, I liked it because I have some clothes that has touch of red that I could wear with it. So basically this is it. This particular one, oh my god, I can wear it with this clothes. Like, you know, all of the handbag that I got fits all of, like, this clothes I'm wearing right now, though, although it might not fit all of my clothes. That's why I bought, like, how many did I buy? I don't know, let me check. So this one, of course, it has the handle. The handle can be adjusted. Like, I know most of you guys know this handbag, most lady has it, but there are some that are cheap, there are some that are expensive, and of course the leather is actually the difference. Yeah, I wait to buy very good things. Like, I waited to make sure I buy good thing. Like, when I want to buy mine, I'll buy the, in fact, I buy the one that I know that, yes, when I go out with it, it entails that poshness, that, you know, CEO. Do you understand? So this is actually the third one that I'm actually unboxing. So this is actually the fourth one that I'm unboxing. Yeah, this particular handbag, when I saw it, I liked it, but when it came, I was like, the color wanted to discourage me. But again, I was like, wow, it's actually like, look at that, look at the handbag, look at that, right? This is the long hand and this is basically the short hand. When I want to use the short hand, I'm going to tuck in the short hand, or I may just leave it dangling like this. Of course, you know, women like fashion, they like something, they like bling bling. So I love the leather. The leather is authentic, and oh my goodness, beautiful. So the back is like this, and then it has some little partition of pockets and all inside of it. Yeah, so yeah, so when I saw it, when I actually opened it initially, I was like, okay, this can actually go with jeans. Yeah, can actually go with jeans, and it's a little big for my camera, for my other stuff. Yeah, you know, and I'm like, well, I love the color after all. But the very first day it came, all this handbag came like 3 days ago, but there was no time for me to do unboxing. So I've already like opened them. When I saw them, I was like, wow, I opened everything, you know. Because I couldn't wait. So this is another one. This is so beautiful, but I know this particular one and this white one are going to be handled with a lot of cleanliness. Like when I come back from wherever I'm going, I'm literally going to dust it with maybe, I don't know, maybe something. I'm going to clean it maybe with soap, maybe at the outside part, so that it's not going to get dirty. So this is it. This is it. Have you actually been seeing this bag on Instagram? Like big girls carrying it. Big girls. Big girls. Something is growing in my eyes here, so it's actually making that place a little big. So I tried to remove the hair and it's actually making that place red. I pluck out the hair. You know, now we Africans, it's not everything you have to go to the pharmacy or go to the hospital. So I was plucking the hair since morning, and the reason why it actually made my hair red is because I was using my nails. My nails are fixed. Like, look at that nails. See that? See that color? It's so fine. So because my nails were fixed, I couldn't get at least enough hair to pluck out. So yeah, that's why it actually made that place red. So this two bag, this is so beautiful and so simple. I'm actually going to be using this for a very big occasion. I don't even get any big occasion apart from going to my office, but of course I do, don't mind me. Yeah, so this is all of the bag that I got, and they're so beautiful. I adore them. I'm just not gonna allow dust to take a good part of them. I'm actually thinking about doing a shelf where I can line my shoes, I can line my bags, you know, in this house. So I'm gonna be doing that. I saw a particular one online. Do you understand? I wanted to order it. They're telling me $200. $200? Are you kidding me? I say no, I will use this kind of wood and construct it. However, I know as if I couldn't buy it, but it's going to take a whole lot of time before it could come. Do you understand? So yeah, anyways, so those are it. I just deemed fit to just literally show you guys my beautiful handbags, and of course now I have varieties of handbag. I'm not gonna be using just one like those times. Anyways, just like I told you initially, not because I couldn't buy, but because there was nowhere I was going to. Like as of right now, I'm going somewhere, so I'm going to pick up one and go with, which is gonna be this particular one. This particular one, you know, black goes with anything, and black is commonly used, unlike any other color. But I can decide to use this one because it goes with my clothes anyways. I mean, yeah, I think I'll use this. Anyone, sure. Okay guys, bye. I love you.